Here's one of the main reasons your sales calls ghost you and they don't close. I just did another notebook video on this, so I'm going to be kind of using this. But one of the main things is it's not the price, it's not the prospect. It is you have a crappy sales call process. And I think most agency owners don't understand what an actually good sales process looks like. And so, number one, you probably have no pre-qualification, right? So anybody can book on your calendar and there's no sort of pre-qualification for them to get on your calendar at all. You don't know their budget, you don't know their urgency, you don't know their authority, you have no idea if this is a qualified person or not. Then you show up to pitch and you pitch them instead of actually diagnosing any sort of issue. You say, hey, here's my portfolio, here's my reel, here's my packages, here's my process. Do you want to buy it? And you're not actually saying, hey, what is going on in your business that has you want to reach out to me to see if we can possibly help you? And so you talk about the deliverables, not the pain. You don't actually focus on what their problem is. And so they don't feel heard. And then, this is my favorite, you have no defined next steps. You say, hey, I'm going to send over a proposal. And then you just expect them to magically open your proposal and then buy from you with no work on your end, which is absolutely insane to me. And then you get these, let me think about it, and then they ghost you, right? It's the story, a tale as old as time. I can't tell you how many people I talk to where they're like, oh yeah, I didn't close them. I'm like, well, did you walk them through the process and try to close them and handle objections on a call? They're like, oh, no, I just sent over a proposal. That's all I did. I was like, are you kidding me? It's so lazy. It's so lazy. That's what bothers me so much is it is so lazy. Put in some work. If you want someone to pay you 30, 40, 50K, put in some work to walk them through your proposal. It's the least thing you could do. And most of you guys feel good because people just don't say no to your face. The reason people do this is because they're scared of a sales process. And they're scared of people saying no to them. And they're scared of people saying, we have an objection. And they'd rather just not handle it and let the person fade away than hurt their ego when somebody says no to them and they actually have to figure out how to solve that problem and get them to say either yes or understand the concern. Here's how you should be going about it. Let me pull up my thing. It's going to be backwards. It's okay. Number one, pre-call. Qualify the budget and authority first. This is what your pre-call video should do, is say, you are this person, and then you should have funnel questions in your application that ask them who they are, and then conditionally logic out people who are not a good fit. Number two, you need to diagnose, hey, what's not working for you right now that had you reach out to us to see if we could possibly help? Number three, qualify or quantify. Sorry. What does this cost you on a year or monthly basis? What is this problem costing you? Prescribe. Connect them with your offer. So based on what you told me, I think the best thing we need to do is this, this, and this. Here's the plan. And we're going to come in and do X, Y, Z to solve that problem. Here's how much it is. Close the deal. It is literally that simple. I have a whole video on in-depth what to say. If you just search sales meeting cheat sheet or $10 million, I think it's $10 million sales workflow. It's on the channel. Here's three main questions you can ask though before the call. What's the main problem you're looking to solve so you can understand what the problem is coming in? Are you the decision maker or is there anybody else who needs to be involved in a decision like this? And why are you looking to solve this right now? Those three things will give you most of what you need to know if that's a qualified person getting on the phone with you, and then you can close more deals. So hopefully this helps. See you in the next one.